The first step is to prepare the required tools. The second step is to take out the pump from box. The third step is to remove the old impeller. Remove 4 screws on the pump cover with electric hand drill. Remove the screws, also the pump cover. Clamp the old impeller with the nipper pliers and remove the old impeller. The fourth step is replace with new impeller. The flat position of the impeller to fit with the flat position of the motor. Align the screw holes and replace the pump cover, then lock the screws. The fifth step is to put the replaced pump back to cover box.